The fourth runner-up is Miss Grand Venezuela.
Wala nang hinto-hinto eh.
Pilipinas, Spain.
The third runner-up is Miss Grand Ghana.
Ay! Yes! Thailand at saka ano? Philippines! Baka Spain, sir. Spain, Philippines.
The second runner-up is Miss Grand Spain.
Wala yung Thailand. Thailand at saka Philippines.
Mag-reaction ka, oh.
Wala, Thailand, Philippines.
Yes! Philippines manalo. Philippines, back to back. Philippines, back to back. Why? Philippines.
Two ladies remain on this stage. Who will be Miss Grand International 2025? Make some noise.
Dami kasing,
Ladies and gentlemen.
ang dami kasing bumuto sa Pilipinas, kaya ganun.
Philippines yan.
Thailand!
Back to back. Roommates talaga, no?
Ladies and gentlemen, the new Miss Grand International 2025 is
Philippines.
Miss Grand Philippines.
Back to back! Deserve di ano na Miss Philippines. Deserve niya, deserve.
Serve! Serve! Oh, ba't ka umiiyak?
Wow!
Yakapan kayo.
Oh my God! Sabi niya, oh my God!
Again, a fantastic
Tuwag-tuwag
performance
si ano.
this year. Taking home the crown is Miss Grand Philippines. That of course means that the first round
Pero sabi niya kahit ako tanga-tanga.
Support naman.
Oo, pero yung huli naman maganda naman yung sagot niya eh.
Thank you, Nawat!
Binigay nila.
Matin, ibinigay niya.
Wala ka naman kasi masabi dito.
Pero last na si... Hoy, tayo kayo, tayo! Deserve kasi.
Ayun yung may gumawa ng gown. Pinalasin na niyo.
Iyakan sila yan.
Pampanga to, di ba?
Oo. Ang ganda ng production, no?
Ganda ng production. Ang gana sana mo, no? Madawal.
Nanalo niyo 2023.
May mga nainggit na ano. Pagkatapos na yan naman, ulitin. Panoorin ulit yung pagtawag ng Miss Philippines.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the new Miss Grand International 2025.
Wow!
Take your first walk.
Yes! Pinapasok pala. Ulog tiglaw.
Yes, Miss Universe na lang sa Tisan.
Ito yung kinan ko talagang naman. Kahit simula